How to enable and disable ad blocking in Brave browser on Android. This tutorial shows you both ways to control it, right from the settings. First, open the Brave app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. After that, tap Settings. Following this, tap Brave Shields and Privacy. At this point, tap Trackers and Ads Blocking. Once done, you'll see three options: Aggressive, Standard, and Disabled. Tap Aggressive if you want the strongest ad blocking, or Standard for the default level. Tap the back arrow once you've made your choice, and it saves automatically. From here, if you ever want to turn ad blocking off completely, come back to this same menu and tap Disabled instead. Keep in mind, disabling ad blocking applies to every site you visit until you turn it back on, so it's usually better to just turn shields off for one specific site if that's all you need. That's how you enable and disable ad blocking in Brave browser on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.